here.
Over here, bud. You gotta wait, Kivik. You'll get your turn.
Oh, wait.
You gotta spin you around, Sevy. You gotta spin you around. No, you gotta keep that on you, bud.
No cheating.
Alright, all done? Next person's turn? Alright. Yeah, next person.
You don't step on that.
Oh, watch out for poo-poo. Alright, next person.
My turn. Oh, you're gonna. I'm gonna get ready.
You gotta watch, you get hit. You hit it a couple. You stepped in poo-poo, Sevy, watch.
Alright. Oh, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that.
Okay.
Okay. Since it's slided on you, it's okay.
Whoa.
Yeah, watch out.
Oh.
You doing it?
That's pretty good.
Pretty good.
No. Whoa.
You're not gonna do it, Nikki? You don't want to try?
No, it's fine. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Whoever hits it really high gets another present.
And it all flies out. If you break it open, stuff comes out.
Back up, Kenzie. Back up, Kenzie.
Okay. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay.
Cameron, put your hands lower down on the stick. Lower down. There you go.
It comes up.
Oh, man. Hit it like you're hitting a home run. You gotta hit it.
Close.
Trying to chop a tree down? There you go. You got it? Come on, man.
You gonna hit it, Kivik? Whoa. Oh. Close.
Got it.
There you go. Oh.
Wow. Got it pretty good.
It's getting close. It's coming close.
One more time. Come on, man. Make it count.
Oh.
All right, you can give somebody else a try. Come on.
You gonna go? It's almost there. Kivik, you gonna go? Go ahead, hurry up. You gotta hit it. Ew, you stepped in poo-poo. Ew, gross.
Are you gonna chop the tree down?
No, I'm not gonna chop the tree down. Why would I chop the tree down?
Don't hit anything yet, okay? This doesn't want. Wait. Sevy, honey, move away. Okay. Wait. Sevy, move away.
Come on.
Okay. Where you? Come on. Grab the stick.
Go ahead, bud. Now you gotta hit it. The fire truck. Kivik, over this way. Look.
It's not easy for him to do.
Over here, honey.
Watch, Sevy, you're gonna get hit in the head. You gotta swing at the fire truck. Up. Over here, bud, look. Right here.
Yeah.
Now you gotta hit it. Oh.
Hey, you got it.
Whoa, doggy.
Oh wow, I pulled the tape off.
Okay.
I think it's time for another.
Next. One.
Be careful.
No, you got one more little boy. He wants to see if he wants to do it.
He's cheating, you know.
You all done, Kivik? Next person's turn. No.
It's a birthday boy.
You got one more. You gonna go?
Yeah.
He's gonna.
You want to do it? Come on. Here.
Alright, Sevy's turn. Sevy, your turn.
Wait,
No, you're all done. You just went. Sevy turn. You go next.
Hey, come on, you want to do it? Let me have that. Come here. Give it to Sevy. Hey.
You gotta give it to Sevy.
Wait. Give me it. No, Sophie.
Watch, she's gonna rip it.
Sophie.
Wait. Did the candy drop?
Everybody's got a turn. You want to let them try it without the blindfold down?
Did you do it already the first time? Yeah.
Yeah.
Got that. Good idea. Okay.
Yeah, just hit it. Just go ahead.
Okay, wait.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Swing. Swing hard.
Right. Sprint.
Watch, bud.
Okay, 2 more. 1 more.
Oh.
Hey, that was a good one.
Alright, bud. All done.
Okay.
Next. Good job, buddy. High five. Close, huh? Whoa.
Good.
2.
That's girl power. Kitty.
Watch out, Kitty. Watch for the poo-poo, bud. Poo-poo. Watch out, Sevy.
Okay, back up.
Watch out. Oh.
Oh wow, that thing is.
Coming close. Oh.
One
Wait now.
That's all tied up.
That is huge. It can't even blink.
Yeah.
Make it count.
Whoa.
No, that thing is
Who's up next?
tiny.
Who's up?
I am.
No, I think Kivik. You going again, bud? You gonna hit the fire truck?
No, he's done. He's all
No, you
done.
got Kivik. You gonna hit the fire truck?
Oh, I see the weekend.
Go hit the fire truck, bud. Whoa.
Oh, wow. Wait. The weak spot is the yellow spot.
Oh. Now you watch out, Sevy. Move back.
No, finish. Done. Now it's
What's
time
in
for
it?
our lip.
What's in it?
See what's in it.
Watch out, Sevy.
That thing is made out of.
Jeez.
That thing is titanium. He can't even blink.
Whoa. Watch out.
Want me to do it? I think I got this. You think you got this?
Is that thing
I
made?
think he got this.
Well, I think that's it. You got it.
There you go. What's in it?
I knocked it down. What's in it? Oh. Take it out. M&M's. M&M's.
Go grab some, Sevy.
Everything M&M's here.
That's all. What's it?
M&M's.
How'd you walk out? How'd you? How were you the first one to get one, Kivik?
Behind you.
Wait, there is.
They're still there.
Give him some. I got 3.
You got 3? You got 1? You got ask Gma. Gma will open it for you.
I got 6. There's no more. I got
All right.